Just making mini closet shelf. One side will be 19 to 20 inches long. The other side will be 32. And you're going to have a section for dress, blouse, and skirt, or a section just for trousers, jackets, and long sleeve. And if you have your trench coat, you can hang your trench coat. Currently, I already have some parts milled up for my hangers, the hanging section. So now I'm getting ready to prep and cut these right there. That will be the surface for my shelves that you can stock shorts, swim trunks, jeans, towels, or whatever little small things that I have. Then I will provide the more information as we go along. So we're gonna have for our hanging items, we're looking within the parameters of 21 inches for hanging, and then the balance from henceforth will be roughly about 10 to 11 inches for folding up space. Okay, more to come. This project are for, low income families that is trying to build something nice and unique for their house. And then I'm going to be milling stocks that will be 15/16 that I will be using for my frame. And then I will be milling up other stocks that will be 2 inches. That will be my cleat. When I get to that phase, I will provide the information on what it looks like. To get the task done, you need a spade bit. Might not necessarily be 1 inch. You could get one for 1 1/8 or 1 1/4 spade bit. Okay, I'm using 1 inch because my hanging rods are under an inch. You're going to need a hammer to pull out nails from out of the wood. If you don't have a table saw, you're going to need, follow the measuring tape, a worm drive. You're going to need a drill, either a cordless or just a regular old drill, to prep to do the holes for your rod and your hanging items. Okay. These are my pieces for my rod. This is going to be the catch or receiving section for the rod that you use to hang your clothes. Then you use the spade bit to drill the holes, and the holes are on the bottom because remember you have the rod that has to come up, the hanging rod that has to, the hanger has to come up above the rod and hang in and clear your 12-inch shelf on the top. So that's why it drops down. I do bottom up, 1 1/4 in, from out to in 1 1/4. So I do 1 1/4 square to get my center, and I do my holes. Normally they're a little bit bigger than an inch, so you're either doing 1 1/4 or 1 1/8 because you normally use 1 inch stock. I found some stock rods that's less than that, so that's why my holes are a little bit smaller. I misplaced my chalk line, so I'm using my level to do my chalk line. So you can always find a straight edge to do your lines. Now if you want to give it that refined, tight, clean look, then you'll have to go with something like that. Which is a sander. This one is an orbital palm sander. So I'm gonna clean up the couple pieces that I have. I'm gonna sand, clean that up, and then I'm gonna assemble it and then build a frame from there. I also recruit a few trusted assistants. Mr. Pazlo trim gun. Mr. Pazlo framing gun. Speed up the process. Now you can use your hammer and nails, whatever is available for you to use. Just sand and cleaned it up. It could have been a lot better and a lot cleaner. Could have gotten it to a more refined or first grade, but this is gonna be painted and covered up, so a lot of the imperfection is gonna be taken away. The natural beauty of the wood won't be there anymore. And this is the bottom. That's the top. Scourging for screws. I have my first phase of the top shelf knocked out, about to get ready to finish the other phase of the top shelf. here. There you have it.